Hello everyone, this is Krishna Chaudhary and I would like to welcome you in this ASP.NET MVC5 tutorial. So in this tutorial we are building an application that's named registration, and this is the part 6. So before proceeding this video, you have to watch my previous 5 videos so you can continue with the step by step. And so in this video we will create sign up page, and for this sign up page we are creating views. Okay, and then execute this application and check the result, what will be the result. Okay, so let's begin with the code. Yeah, so up to here we completed with controller and models. Now we have to create views. So there is two possible ways to add views. Either you can manually create the view folder by yourself and add the corresponding .chml files, or by right click on the controller action method. So we don't need to do anything with the index page at this point. And now modify the index page with and replace it with the HTML markup. Okay, now index, add view, index, and leave it empty. Add, so this is empty. Here we have to add view back dot title index. Layout, views, shared, dot html h2 index. Then no account yet. If you have no account, then you have to navigate to the sign up now page. Okay, so for that I am using the action link. So the action link method. Okay, action link, sorry, it's come into the html dot html dot okay, action link bracket first sign up now. So this will be the uh, hyperlink. Okay, when you click on this, and you will navigate to the sign up page. And the controller will be account. Okay, so save this. Now the same for the welcome page. So we have to create a welcome page view for the welcome add. So same thing, copy from here, add here. Next to hi. And be at the rate context dot user dot identity dot name so here it will fetch the name of the user, and here it will show the message like welcome to my first MVC5 web application. /h. Okay, so now the welcome page also completed. Save it. Now switch back to the account controller class and add new page, sign up page in that account, and click on the sign up page. Add view, and for the create model should be administration, user sign up view and registration database. Add and let the Visual Studio allow to quickly generate the UI, and you can edit and customize. Oh sorry, and we have to first rebuild this, then we have to because this class is not generated, so for that we have to rebuild. Yeah, our sign rebuild is completed. Then we add view for this sign up and template create and model class is user sign up role view and data context class is registration entity and add. So this visual should allow to quickly generate the UI that you can edit and customize. Okay, so now we need to trim down the generated file fields because there are some fields that we don't actually need users to see, like the role id, role name. Adding to that, I also modify passwords to use the password for HTML helper and the drop down list for the gender. Okay, so let's do it. First, for the password, where is password tutorial. Another @HTML validation error. Okay, second drop down list for the gender. So this is the gender, and for this we have to add a drop down like @HTML drop down list new select sorry list. In the list select list item and this new select item list text is equal to male comma value is m. Okay, and comma similarly for the other. Female value f. Yeah, sure. Now HTML link back to the main and then index controller of home.